Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pranaja Akbar Suranto and I live in Bogor. I am semester 2 in Bina Sarana Informatics University in City Bogor. Okay, in this opportunity I will be presentation about my tasks in English in middle semester, and I want to presentation about the software computer. Okay, I will explain about the architecture of computer software, the essential framework detailing the core system lifecycle and emerging trends shaping our digital universe. And the core software categories, there is two different background or two different way. The one is system software and the second is application software. In the system software, uh, the X as the baseline or structure of the computer internal hardware component. The system software operates silently in the background, offering critical developer environment and foundational interface. And the example is operating system or OS, and the two is firmware, compare engines, diagnostic bootloader, and hardware device drivers. And the application software is enable an user to perform highly specific personal, creative, or collaborative computing tasks. And the example is web browser, productivity suite, relational database, media editing system, and custom gaming modules. In the operating system, there is hardware master, which is the operating system or OS is the ultimate software layer that coordinates physical hardware and higher level user application interactions. Which is in the hardware master there is three. Uh, the first is resource allocation, and the second is hardware abstraction, and the third is user shell. Okay, the next is the software development life cycle, or we can mention is SDLC, which is there is four step to the software development life cycle. The first is planning, two is design, and three is coding, and four is release. Okay, in the software, in the future, there's modern delivery paradigm, which is there is cloud SaaS models, on-premise installation, and hybrid integration. And in the future, the software is uh, the software is highly uh, technological or highly futuristic, which is there is the next gen software horizons, and it's and okay, in the future the software in the computer is very futuristic, which is we name it like next gen software horizons. It's divided to the three parts, and one or the first is agentic AI. This is transitioning from assertive prompts to fully autonomous reasoning software against capable of executing complex multi-step digital processes independently. And the second is zero trust build, which is the next gen software horizon, which developing high security application design with continuous cryptographic validation, strictly containing lateral threads and data leaks. And the third is cloud native, which the next gen software horizon is leveraging the cold microservice, containers deployment, and dynamic cloud computing pipelines to establish unparalleled software. Okay, that's all explanation by me. Uh, Thank you very much for watching, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.